This video is brought to you by #Score Marketing Division Sufi Guidance Channel YouTube.
For Shah Saab, all the chat activists, all the followers on Sufi Guidance, Assalamu alaikum to everybody who's following Shah Saab, everybody who is supporting Shah Saab, who's loving Shah Saab, who's following, watching, Assalamu alaikum to everybody. Because we all are family, because we're all supporting Shah Saab, so we all are family. I would like to do a testimonial for Shah Saab to let everybody know how much of an amazing person he is, how wonderful he is, and how he is guiding everybody to the right path, to the truth, which is for everybody to see how powerful the Quran is, and how we can benefit from reading. And I got in touch with Shah Saab over a year and a half ago, probably at the lowest point in my life, but that was Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sending an angel to me at that time, and Shah Saab was the angel in our lives and has been ever since. And that's Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's wasila of bringing help and fairs like Shah Saab is spreading to everybody. As Shah Saab said, Jari rahega fairs, and inshallah it will be forever, because this is the truth, and this is through the Quran and through the reading that everybody is not only getting what they want in the world, but this is the spiritual blessings that is bringing everybody closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Shah Saab is our brother, and he's a selfless human being who is doing nothing but helping everybody, and I cannot thank him enough for everything he has done for not only me, not only my family, but anybody I have ever spoken to. Since I met Shah Saab, anybody I've ever spoken to with a problem, my first solution to them is I need to put them in touch with Shah Saab, because
which is impossible to do, isn't it? Getting in touch with Shah Saab is impossible. लोग 3 महीने तक फोन करते रहते, पता ही नहीं चलता शाह साहब को. शाह साहब is lost, है ना? He's in a lost world, isn't it?
But in my heart, I know that you can help, and you are there to help, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent you on this earth to help the world. And you, as I said before, if there were more people like Shah Saab in the world would be a better place, and we wouldn't need. So I just want to tell everybody who's watching and everybody who follows him, he is a genuine, wonderful human being who does not ask anybody for anything, and everybody who follows him is following with their heart, because he's the king of the heart.
Yes, the Da-Vish dwell in the heart.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And and Shah Saab has captured all of our hearts since we got in touch with him, since we met him. And Shah Saab, you're very, very special to us, and you always, inshallah, you always will be. And it's with our hearts that we it's a heart relationship where we all love you, because through the Quran, through the reading, through you bringing us closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, there's nothing more than we want in our lives.
Sahi baat hai. There is nothing more you want, and there is nothing more you need.